Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you today this product. It is from ALLJOY. ALLJOY has many products on their website. I'll have that below for you to see. This is an electric heated blanket. Now let me explain. I know that it's very much summer, many places. Fall is starting, autumn is starting in many places as well, but a lot of people are having heat waves. But this is something to think about because before you know it, it will be cold. And before you know it, it will be winter. And before you know it, it will be Christmas. So this makes a wonderful gift. And I have a code, LOVECATS, I think it is, for 20% off. And this is from the website ALLJOY. And like I said, they have other products and you can buy any products with that code. You can use that code for anything. This blanket comes with a user manual, and they also invite you to join their VIP club. And this particular blanket, what's so nice about this, especially for someone like me, is it's a heated throw. It's not a blanket, you know, the old-fashioned electric blankets that would fit like a twin, a queen, or whatever, a double size, a king bed. This is a throw. So a throw usually is 50 inches by 60 inches. That's what the average throw size is, and that's what this is. And it's heated. So you can heat it if you want to, and you don't have to. You can take the plug out, which is right now I have the plug out, but I have it plugged into the wall because I'm going to show you. This is the workings for it. There's many different adjustments you can make for it. I want to tell you real quick about it. It's a super cozy and it'll keep you warm. It is made of super cozy flannel and it gives you more comfort and warmth when you are alone or on a cold night. And it is a weighted blanket and it can keep warm even without electricity. So even if you can't plug it in, it'll keep you warm, because here is the blanket. Now this comes in gray and blue, and maybe they have other colors, but those are the two that they showed me. It is super soft, you know, like a stuffed animal. I mean, it's so soft and cozy, and I chose the blue over the gray. You can, you know, the gray might go with, the gray will go with every decor. I just really love blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. So it's a throw size. It's hard to show you in a small space with a camera, but there's where you'll plug it in. But like I said, 50 by 60. And if you can see, you know, there's the information on the blankets. If you can see, it's all seamed around it and it is thick on its own. So if you don't have electricity, it'll still keep you warm. But now here is where you plug it in. So this is nice. You can wash this. So it's nice that that comes out, and it's super easy to put in. This is the plug. And there are 8, it says easy to use and 8-time settings. So you don't have to worry about falling asleep with it on. You can see in there, you line this up and then it'll snap in and it'll be safe. See, it snaps right in there. And then there are the different buttons to press on here. There is the power on and off, the temperature. You can adjust your temperature, power on and off, and also you can set a timer. So if you want to, I'm not sure what the time sets are. It says 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's 4 different time sets. So if you feel like, oh, I'm gonna watch a movie and I may fall asleep with this on, you'll be afraid that it would stay on all night, you can set the timer. Now it will go off automatically on its own if you do forget to set the timer. So don't worry about that. It is safe. It's has a lot of safety features. It says 10 heating levels, 4-time settings. It's an overheat protection and auto off. So you don't have to worry about leaving it on accidentally. So it says that it's an ideal gift choice. It is an ideal gift choice, y'all, for someone you love, for someone that, like me, that lives in an older home, and I have old windows. And even though I have a great a modern heating and air conditioning system, it still gets cold in here in the winter time. And also the cost of oh, this feels good, it's on my lap and it's on the cost of the heat. I keep my heat like low, you know, because it's just me here, and I don't mind putting a blanket on, and the cats will sit on my lap, and there's warmth from them as well. So something like this, first of all, they're gonna love it. And then for me too, it's gonna keep me warm, especially when it's really cold. They are predicting a very, very cold winter like we're in. I'm sure I'll get this backwards. There's El Nino and La Nina. And I think we've had an El Nino summer, and we're going to have a La Nina winter, which is bad and cold for most of the whole United States. So it's a good thing to have. And like I said, you'll get 20% off. And it says it's cozy and skin friendly. Using our blanket in your bed provides unparalleled comfort, ensuring that you get a cozy and restful night's sleep. Its softness, warmth, and breathability create a cocoon of comfort, enveloping you in a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. And also, because it's a lap style throw, you can take it anywhere with you. You can have this in the car with you when you're traveling. And then, you know, it's with you in the hotel or at, you know, wherever you're visiting. If you're staying with some family or friends, it's right there with you to use if you need it. And it's just, the ALLJOY people are lovely people. I have shown products for them before, and they did tell me that my code for 20% off will work on all of their products on their site. So it says fast heating and safety assurance, and there's the overheat protection, like I said, and it also can relieve muscle pain and accelerate blood circulation. That I thought was really important for everybody to know, because if you are a person that has chronic pain, I mean, what a great gift, you know, for your spouse, for your parent, for your grandparent, for your children, for your friends, for yourself. It's beautiful. It's well crafted and very, very warm on its own. Very, very soft to the touch and very warm on its own. So it's a wonderful blanket, and I wanted to thank ALLJOY for sending this over to me, because I will make wonderful use out of it this winter for sure. Thank you so much for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.